I've been touring with Alister, who has been teaching us about the technology that he has implemented in many properties around Durban. We had a look at some luxury homes in Hillcrest, some premium offices in Umhlanga, and now we are in Ballito to learn about his premium venue that he has built using mainly glass. The point of most of my videos is to teach you that anything is possible if you put your mind to it.
Yeah, so welcome. Here is one of my signature products that we installed himself. One of my signature builds, I call
Signature
it.
builds.
Signature builds.
Now it said lychee orchard.
There's it, yeah.
These are all lychee trees.
This is all lychee trees, the lychee orchard.
Ah, what season do lychee come? Summer season?
December,
yeah,
November,
yeah.
December.
So all the people selling lychee on the side of the road, are they getting supplied from here or not?
You know, there's lots of people that you can supply from. Hi, good day, sir. How are you?
You guys well?
All good, all good.
So it says here, the lychee orchard established in 1999. So is this like a venue? What is this place?
You're gonna see now. We're gonna show you. I like to surprise you.
There's a spa and stuff here.
We got a spa here. Got some stuff here.
He's gonna surprise me now. I think he's surprising me with a massage. Oh wow. This is the picture that you have on your brochure.
100%, 100%.
Oh, you brought me to the signature product.
Oh, my guys are here too. Beautiful. So we can make them open all the doors now.
Oh, awesome, awesome.
You can look at the fountains that come through here. The guys came to us and said to me, Mr. Pastors from the church here, and came to me and said, you know what, we're looking for something that's different. So together with another structure company called MTT Structures, we have developed this lychee the church here for the Wave Church.
Nice.
So basically, the entire structure is made out of glass.
Yeah.
Everything.
Oh, the whole building. Oh, yes. Okay,
The whole building
see.
is made out of glass. And
so
if you look at it
beautiful.
now, you go inside over here. Hey, hello guys.
It's a nice venue.
Nice to see Window World guys.
All the guys, the Window World guys are operating.
Yeah, they're operating, fixing and breaking.
Okay, all right. So this whole the roof is not glass.
Okay, so
though.
those are the structure that came in from MTT. There's lights in the top and stuff and all, yeah. But basically, we have created a glass house. And this is what it is.
Got you, got you.
When, if you're thinking about how hot it gets inside here,
Yeah.
it comes extreme.
No, well, you can see the many
There's good air conditioning. There's about 4 air cons over there that you guys can see.
Talk to me about the architecture of this building. As you can see, this whole thing is made out of, well, it's a big glass room, except for the ceiling. And how's those?
The architecture was designed by me.
Yeah.
I've completed the wind loading. Can you show the people how high these doors are? Because these doors are not achievable in a lot of aluminum companies.
Okay.
Remember, we have designed these special heights of these. These doors are 4 meter high.
4 meters.
4 meter high. They give you, they open up to the entire way. So basically, these are sliding vista folding doors, 4 meter highs.
Because I'm almost, well, I'm on 1.8, right?
Yeah, that's 4 meter high.
Yeah. So you can check.
That's developed there.
4
So
meters
basically,
high.
when they open up, they open up to this beautiful opening. Yeah.
So what's the engineering behind the 4
See,
meter
because
high
the
door?
structure is movable. Remember,
Yeah.
this is not a permanent structure like we get brick and wire.
Yeah.
This is based on a tent, or I'll call it a tarp effect.
Yeah.
That's tied down, and that remember the structure still moves. It can still
It
do
moves
that.
with the
It
wind
can
and
move
stuff.
the wind. But the guys got some good stuff. They brace it on nicely.
Yeah.
With the structures and stuff and all that. So we've got some good heavy duty stuff.
Yeah.
But again, that's how we
Well, okay, so a lot of, I don't know if this is off topic
technical.
Yeah.
A lot of technical
You're saying
design.
based on a tent. Now you've seen pop-up structures, pop-up churches,
Exactly.
pop-up events,
Yes, exactly.
where they pop it up in the tent.
Yeah.
So you took the same principle,
I take the same concept
but you
of
turned it
the
into a permanent glass.
permanent glass structure where the guys can fellowship.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is one of my signature projects. I call it one of my best projects.
Yeah.
If you look at the, I remember because of designing it of wind load, weight load, it is opening and closing of the 4 meter doors. I was excited to get things, going with the technical abilities with it. And again, to get it certified at the end of the day, I was so excited to get that.
Wow.
So it was a accomplishment for myself, also for designing it and then putting it into production. That was one of the stuff that I love.
Yeah,
and you can see they're massive. They're massive.
They're massive, yeah.
They're massive. They go right to the top. There's glass right to the top over there. Recently, we just started inserting on the top of here because we felt like there's lots of heat coming up here.
Yeah.
So we decided to start putting in some windows on the tops. So
And you can open them.
Yeah, we've got some windows. We've got a
got a
special
right.
mechanism that we open up the windows, but those windows open up in the top. And yeah, so this is where the guys fellowship. Look at the beautiful outside over here. I love it. Every time I'm here, I just get fascinated with what our abilities can be.
Yeah.
So there's nothing that's impossible. Everything's impossible, but just a little bit of capacity of your thinking and stuff.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So
huh?
do they use this venue for other events, etc.?
Yes, they do use
Or
the venue.
weddings
They
or
use
any
the
other
venue for
functions?
weddings and stuff. No, it's
Wow.
very, very laid back weddings and stuff. They did have a couple of good weddings inside of here.
Yeah.
Pastor Ian did mention that he loves
How big is
hosting.
it? How many people can this place now? How many chairs? Yeah? I don't know.
It's quite a bit of chairs, yeah. I would say most probably we can do about 300 people, yeah.
300, yeah.
About 300 to 400 people inside here. Look at that, huh?
Amazing. I like the chandeliers. Huh?
The chandeliers, work of art.
Yeah.
You see these two doors that we have created here with fireproofing Durban.
Yeah.
So these, remember, all electrical stuff need to be fireproof. So we made these humongous doors. See how big these doors are, to hide in all the electrical cording and stuff. So these are fireproof edge cladding.
Yeah.
This cladding, they're all fireproof, and we have created this humongous door to. Look at
They're
that.
also like 4 meters.
The 4-meter doors.
Yeah.
Look at that. They're high.
Are they heavy?
They're not heavy.
No,
They're light.
not
They're
really, yeah.
light. Lightweight.
Okay.
Yeah, so look at that. Fireproof panels that we create. You can see the fire extinguisher here
Yeah.
in between to hide all the electrical and then feed the entire church with electricity and stuff.
Sure.
So yeah, beautiful.
When did you do this project?
It's about a year. The guys are here today just servicing. I always like to do stuff in between the church.
Okay.
Every once in a while I just come up here to service the doors.
Okay.
Just to give back more to the community.
Yeah.
Giving is always good.
Make sure everything works.
Make sure that everything works.
Nothing
100%. Nothing
it
is
up.
safe. With this big doors here, there's.
Yeah.
And remember, it's not a permanent structure.
Yeah.
It's a movable structure. It can move, go things off square. So we have to
Right.
constantly be here just to, I'll call it maintain the building.
Okay.
And to give it a. That's what we do. We try to maintain it, make sure that they open up wide like this, and give it that. Look at what a beautiful opening space that is when all the doors open up.
Yeah. I'm sure they open it up a lot as well.
They do. Sometimes, remember, all the doors are open, but
whatnot. Not only have the aircon all the
but
same,
also winter time it's cold.
Yeah.
So you've got your room, plus you've got about 1, 2, 3, 4 massive air cons, 4 on either side that cools the place up here. So yeah, very, 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 very lovely. I love it.
DJ area.
Oh, that's a DJ booth.
Sound area.
Stay tuned to our upcoming videos where we explore more venues that Alister and Window World has been a part of. My name's OG. You gotta subscribe.